Hindi po siya kasing galing ni Michael Jordan mag-basketball.
He is not perfect.
He is not as rich as Bill Gates.
Hindi naman siya superhero.
He is not my biological father. He never fails to treat us as his own.
He never let us feel unheard or unseen.
Hindi niya kami pinabayaan na hindi maibigay yung mga pangangailangan namin.
Hindi siya nagsasawa na magluto para sa amin. Like every meal talaga siya yung nagluluto ever since.
Si Dad, hindi niya hahayang hindi ako makapag-basketball. There was a time he cried in front of us, and I believe that makes him a good father. For it takes strength to be that vulnerable, and it takes love to be that hurt. And I don't think a good father wouldn't be hurt if he didn't love his children.
There was a time he picked me up from school and nakamotor lang kami. We were at a stoplight and there was a car beside us. And they said, "Sir, alam niyo po ba, tulog na yung nasa likod niyo." Chinek niya ako and then he made sure na I was holding on tight to him pa rin.
Siya yung nagsabi na, oh, palaki na si Moon, palaki na yung anak natin. Bakit hindi tayo mag-seek kay Lord? Kasi para yung paglaki niya, aligned sa Lord. So, dinala niya kami sa church para magbago yung mismong takbo ng buhay namin.
We grew up na sobrang haba nung patience niya for us, no? Pero I realized na ang hirap maging tatay na ganong kahaba yung pasensya mo. Lalo na yung ngayon, may toddler ako, na kailangan din pala yun for me as a father.
So mahilig kasi silang gumawa ni mama ng fruit salad. He said sa mama ko na, alisin ko tong pinya, hihiwalay ko to kasi ayaw kasi nung prinsesa to. Doon ko lang din na-remember na, okay, Papa knows me well. And sobra kong na-appreciate yun sa Papa ko.
Yeah, first of all, I just want to thank God for my father. And even whenever we need Him, especially sa bahay, right, for support.
I'm thankful kasi nilid kami ni Jethro kay Lord para maging mas maayos kami as a family. And yung relationship niya kay Moon, mas nag-grow din with the help of God.
So every single day, I know na binabago ni God si Papa to be like Him, is doing and trying His best to be gentle, to be patient, and very forgiving to us.
To the one that loves us and became the foundation and strength of our family, Dad, thank you. Because in times of trouble, you were always there and you always never failed us.
Dad, thank you for continually leading our family. Thank you for making sure that we are well provided. I thank God that He has given you as my dad. And I can say that my dad, Archie, is a good father.
I can say that my daddy Dolph is a good father.
I can say my Papa Bong is a good father.
With this, I can say that Jethro, my husband, and the father of Moon, is a good father.
And I can say, my Papa Hilario is a good father.